What's going on, guys? We're going to be talking about Cardano. ADA is the ticker. Let's get into this. What is Cardano, y'all? Understanding Cardano ADA, a beginner's guide to blockchain revolution. In the ever-changing world of cryptocurrencies, Cardano stands out as a thoughtful, research-driven platform that's gaining traction among investors and developers alike. Launched in 2017 by Charles Hoskinson, a co-founder of Ethereum, Cardano is a third-generation blockchain designed to address the shortcomings of earlier networks like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Its native token, ADA, named after the 19th century mathematician Ada Lovelace, serves as the feel for the ecosystem. Unlike Bitcoin's energy-intensive proof of work, Cardano uses a more efficient proof of stake consensus called Ouroboros, which allows users to stake their ADA to validate transactions and earn rewards while consuming far less energy. This makes it environmentally friendly and scalable for global adoption. As of August 2025, Cardano has completed its roadmap phases, including the Voltaire era, which emphasizes decentralized governance where ADA holders vote on network upgrades. For newbies, think of Cardano as a secure, academic-backed alternative to Ethereum, focusing on real-world problems like financial inclusion in developing regions. At its core, Cardano is built on a rigorous scientific principles, with peer-reviewed papers underpinning its development. This sets it apart from many hype-driven cryptos. The blockchain operates in two layers: the Cardano Settlement Layer (CSL) for handling transactions, and Cardano Computation Layer (CCL) for smart contracts, enabling complex applications without clogging the network. ADA isn't just a speculative asset, it's integral to the system. Holders use it to pay fees, participate in staking pools where you delegate ADA to validators for passive income, and govern the protocol through voting. Staking is beginner-friendly, no need for expensive hardware apps like Daedalus or Yoroi wallets make it simple. With annual yields around 4 to 5%, Cardano's total supply is capped at 45 billion ADA, with about 35 billion in circulation, promoting scarcity and value stability. In 2025, the network has matured into a hub for decentralized applications, dApps, supporting 1,000 projects in areas like gaming and social impact. Its focus on interoperability means it can connect with other blockchains, making it a bridge in the multi-chain future. Cardano's utility shines through its diverse use cases, make it more than just digital gold. Primarily, it's a platform for smart contracts, self-executing agreements that automate processes without intermediaries. This powers decentralized finance, DeFi, where users can lend, borrow, and trade their assets directly. For instance, platforms like SundaeSwap allow ADA holders to swap tokens or provide liquidity for rewards. Beyond finance, Cardano excels in real-world applications. It's used for supply chain tracking in agricultural, verifying coffee origins in Ethiopia is an example, and digital identity solutions in Africa, helping unbanked populations access services. NFTs on Cardano are eco-friendly and cheap, with marketplaces like JPG Store hosting art and collectibles. In 2025, advancements like Hydra, a Layer 2 scaling solution, boost transaction speeds to thousands per second, enabling high-volume use cases like micropayments or gaming. Utility extends to enterprise, low fees under 1 cent per transaction, and security make it ideal for global payments, outpacing traditional systems like SWIFT. Additionally, ADA staking models supports network security while rewarding holders, fostering long-term holding. Emerging utilities include merged mining with Bitcoin for DeFi access and privacy features, positioning Cardano for mass adoption in a post-regulatory world. Cardano's growth is amplified by strategic partnerships that bridge blockchain with real-world institutions. In 2025, a key collaboration is with SERPRO, Brazil's federal data processing service, to integrate Cardano's tech for secure government digital transformations. This could revolutionize public administration in Latin America. Another blockbuster in alliance with Ripple, led by Hoskinson, focusing on cross-chain interoperability, integrating XRP for faster institutional-grade payments. Partnerships with BitcoinOS enable Bitcoin users to tap into Cardano's DeFi, while Fairgate Labs aids wallet innovation. The Cardano Foundation's ecosystem includes over 30 partners for education and adoption, like those at the 2025 summit in Berlin, emphasizing enterprise blockchain. Collaborations in Asia, Vietnam, Korea, Japan, and Laos expand utility in scaling and protocols. These ties enhance credibility, driving adoption beyond crypto enthusiasts. Expert price predictions. Here we go. I don't really like the price predictions we get when we pull data with Grok. It's usually like very low ball, but we'll see. Expert price predictions for ADA are optimistic, fueled by market recovery and developments. For 2025, analysts forecast an average of 95 cents to $1.50, with bullish targets of up to $4.50 amid potential ETF approvals and bull runs. It's like almost a 5x on the bullish target there of 450. So maybe it's a little more than a 5x. It's about a 5x. Anyway, that's kind of what I've been predicting for, XRP for where it's at. Maybe it'll do more than a 5x, but we'll see. By 2026, prices could hit $2 to $3, driven by Hydra and interoperability. Long-term 2030 projections range from $2.50 to $10 per Coinpedia and Changelly. Assuming sustained growth and institutional inflows, crypto experts like Eli Martinez see patterns mirroring 2021's rally, potentially 33 to 40% gains soon. Influencers like Alex Becker predict $5 in a bull market. However, risks like market volatility persists. Predictions aren't guaranteed. In summary, Cardano offers newbies a solid entry into crypto with strong fundamentals, practical utilities, and promising partnerships. As adoption grows, ADA could become a staple in portfolios, blending innovation with real impact. So that's it for today's Cardano video. Let me know what you guys think about it. Are you a Cardano holder? Are you maybe interested in getting into Cardano? Do you have anything to add about Cardano? Leave it down there in the comments section. I'd appreciate that. And, also check out my sponsors. Got the banner rotating at the top there. Link is down in the description, the simple.bio link. If you click there, you get all my affiliate links, where you can get free crypto on deposit, get a ledger hardware wallet device to secure your crypto, get it off the exchanges where it would be much safer, in my opinion. And you can also get a loan on your crypto. Don't sell your crypto, just send your crypto over to CoinRabbit. They hold it as collateral, send you a loan, and you choose your loan to value ratio. So you can pick 90%, 80%, or 60%. The lesser percent loan you get is lower liquidation point, basically. As long as the price doesn't hit liquidation point, your collateral is always there, and you can buy it back at any time, kind of like a pawn shop. This is just a way to not sell your crypto, and maybe you can increase your holdings too, if that's what you want to do. You have the collateral there, and you get a loan and buy more. That's one way to do it. Anyway, nothing I've said here is financial advice, and always do your own research. I appreciate y'all. Just be sure to check out that simple.bio link and get your free crypto, y'all. I appreciate y'all. Smash up the like and share it out. Leave the comment down below, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.